Hi everybody, Stephanie here from Cloth Diaper Kids. Look what came in from Lighthouse Kids Company. It's called Coop. Isn't it cute? So I wanted to use this print to show you what the inside of a Lighthouse Kids Company all-in-one looks like. So this is the signature size. They have a signature size and a supreme. So they have the snap down rise like this, okay? And then what I like about the Lighthouse Kids Company is they have the hip snap, which is really important when you're looking for a cloth diaper. You don't want wing droop. So then let's have a look at the inside. What's interesting about these ones is the book fold insert. So there's lots of different types of all-in-ones. This one is called a book fold because it folds out, hey, like a book. The bamboo cotton side next to the skin like this, or this is fleece. So you can fold it this way if you prefer and have the wicking fleece against baby's bum instead. So this is really nice for babies who get diaper rashes or for babies who don't like being wet. They don't like that feeling. This will wick and be soft and kind of like a moisture barrier. But if baby's getting closer to potty learning and you want them to feel wet and you want them to know when they've peed, or if you just prefer to have the natural fabric next to the skin, then fold it this way and you can have the bamboo next to the skin. Okay, so lots of nice absorbency in here, and it's sewn into the top like this. So it's a one-piece diaper, which is why it's called an all-in-one if you're new to cloth diapers, and it's fast to dry. And did you know that the Lighthouse Kids Company TPU, the waterproof outer layer, is made with recycled water bottles? One more reason to try them.